Let's make a quick pasta dinner for a family of 4 from someone who isn't a top chef, still learning how to cook, but had to do it anyways. We're going to go ahead and cut up some bell peppers, the big round bell peppers that you can get in a supermarket. We're going to cut them up fine in some thin slices. Then we're also going to cut up some onion. Once we cut up those, we're going to put it aside and we're going to season our shrimp because we're making shrimp pasta. So we're going to go ahead and throw our seasoning on our shrimp, put our hand inside of that, mix it up. Also cut the shrimp up so it's fine, because instead of adding the big shrimp, you just add some small pieces. And then you want to go ahead and you want to stir fry your cut up seasoning. So all of that cut up bell pepper and onion, you want to go ahead, put them in your saucepan, your frying pan, with some oil and fry that up nice and crispy. I don't like it too soft. Once that done, I go ahead and I crush the garlic. I crush the garlic after, and I add the garlic after, because the garlic burns really quickly, so I like to add it in after. Once I'm done with that and it's all cooked up, I pour it into my big frying pan, right? My big frying pan that I'm going to use to actually make the sauce in. I pour it inside of that. Once I pour it inside of that, I add my jerk seasoning to it, and any other seasoning that I desire will go into this pot. Just use your imagination and make it up as you go along. Then I'd add some vegetable water, broth, vegetable broth, chicken broth, whichever one you want to use. Add that into it to give it a little bit flavor and to create that liquid to create the sauce. Then you want to also season this, because you add this liquid in it, the season might run off. So I season this just like how I would season the shrimp, with a jerk seasoning, some powder seasoning, and whatever seasoning that your heart desires that you like. Then you stir that up a bit and add in your heavy whipping cream. The heavy whipping cream is what's going to turn this into a sauce and make it nice and creamy. That's what's going to do it for you. Once you add that in, you mix it around a bit, stir it around, and while you wait for that to come to a boil, you want to go ahead and stir fry your shrimp. Cut up any pieces that were left. Cook your shrimp. You want to just go ahead and add this into your sauce that has come to a boil, because you can add this into the sauce and just mix everything together. Didn't have to do that. I could have added in the pasta first, but we're gonna add it into the sauce. Now the sauce is at his boil, add in the shrimp, and then just kind of stir it up together. Use your spoon and do a little taste test to make sure it's well seasoned, and if it's not well seasoned, you can add some more seasoning to it like I did here. Kind of regret adding that seasoning. Never like how it tastes. This is why I never make up things on the spot, but I digress. Now we go ahead and stir that in all together. Once I completed stirring it all together, it tasted good and nice, but I was like, let me go ahead and add like extra Alfredo sauce to just add a little bit more creaminess to it. And guess what? It did the job. It did taste good. It wasn't top chef, but it feed the family of 4 with my little Jamaican twist on it, and can't complain.